Alright, so I told you in the last video that I would show you our meat bird operation, and I failed to do so. So here we go. Here's a short video of how we move our meat birds to keep them on grass every single day, keep them protected from the weather and predators as well. We actually pulled them on the neighbor's property because we don't have any pasture yet, and they do, and they like super fertilized grass because they have horses. Check it out. I don't know if the horses eat chicken or if they just smell the chicken food. So we have a 15-gallon barrel that holds water for these birds, and we take 10 gallons a day with us just to make sure that they have plenty of water. We have a bucket with ports on it that feeds 4 at a time, and it holds about 25 pounds of food. And we throw about 25 pounds of food per 100 birds on the ground as well, so they never run out of food. Grant is the chicken frightener. That's the official title of his job. When we move the chicken coop, we want to make sure that the birds don't get run over. So I have Grant go in the coop and scare the birds while we drag the chicken coop. All right. All right, so we set up a 4-strand electric fence just to keep these boogers out of the chicken food, also to motivate predators to stay away as well. It's kind of a gate system here we have up front that we open up, and we just move the electric fence every time we move the birds. This is 1/4-inch hardware cloth and a bunch of hog panels attached to some 2x6s. Pretty simple. Pretty simple setup. We have a tarp. This was actually one of our old businesses sign that we put over the top. And here is our 15-gallon drum. I'll show you that system a little bit closer once we go inside. And I just made a little door here so we can fill up water without going inside if we want. All right, so here goes something. All right, the horses like the bird food. So now we move the fence up. Typically Grant will move the fence up while I bring the feed in here, but these guys are super happy now. They have fresh grass. Apparently they were out of water because everybody's flocking to the water. We'll go ahead and get that filled up as well. Got it, dude? All right, there she is. We'll get them some food. Call it good.
All right, so now we dump food on the floor, and in our bucket
Made, I believe, Living Traditions YouTube channel showed me how to make this fancy thing. And we'll fill that up and make sure they never run out. Fresh grass, bugs, all that stuff. And this is a watering system. It's a little occupied at the moment. We have a 15-gallon tank with an on-off valve, hose, and cups that fill up as they go empty. Empty birds.
All right. So that normally takes us 10 or 15 minutes. Not a big investment of time. Make sure these guys get fresh grass every single day.